जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती गंगा धारा है, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते का नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है।
Freedom is not just a word, it's the very soul of our existence. Good morning to one and all present here. Today we, on the behalf of SWS, would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to everyone on the occasion of India's 79th Independence Day.
Now we take immense pleasure to welcome the pillars of our institution, our Honorable Director Ma'am Ms. Avinash Kaur, our respected Principal Ms. Ruchika Sharma, worthy Vice Principal Ms. Raina Chona, our esteemed Enrichment Head Ms. Sudeshna Sharma, dedicated coordinators, respected teachers, enthusiastic students, and our supportive parents.
Tamso Ma Jyotirgamya, meaning from darkness lead us to light. With this ancient Vedic prayer in mind, we invite our esteemed Director, Ms. Avinash Kaur, respected Principal, Ms. Ruchika Sharma, with all other dignitaries to light up the ceremonial lamp.
On this proud day of freedom, we warmly welcome our cherished alumni, our shining stars of the past, back to the heart of their journey, Mr. Akash Dhawan and Mr. Prabhudev Singh Soni. Now, I would like our Honorable Director Ma'am Ms. Avinash Kaur and our Principal Ms. Ruchika Sharma to felicitate our alumni.
In this blissful prayer, we find the strength to rise, the courage to forgive, and the peace to carry on. Let us now join our hands, close our eyes, and pray together to Almighty for peace, unity, and prosperity of the nation.
हमें
formally commence today's celebration, we invite our worthy Vice Principal, Ms. Raina Chona, to extend the official welcome address.
Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. A warm welcome to all the distinguished guests who have come here to celebrate India's 79th Independence Day here at Smart Wonders School. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on this beautiful occasion on behalf of our students of class 10 and teachers. A big round of applause for all the teachers and class 10 students who have given their heart and soul to prepare this program. I welcome our visionary director, ma'am, Mrs. Avinash Kaur. Ma'am is always here as a pillar of strength for us. We welcome you, ma'am, on this occasion. Then I extend my welcome to our principal, dynamic principal, Mrs. Ruchika Sharma. Ma'am is the one who has given idea for the theme for today's program, that is Vikasit Bharat. Ma'am believes in Vikas of everyone. So this is the theme for our today's Independence Day, conceived by our principal, Mrs. Ruchika Sharma. Then I welcome our enrichment head, Mrs. Sudeshna Sharma. Ma'am is the one who is the force behind execution of this program. Without ma'am's support, we would have not prepared the program. Thank you, ma'am. Then I welcome our junior wing head, Mrs. Sarika Sharma, our coordinators and teachers who are here among us to celebrate India's independence. And our lovely parents. I always call you extended family. So you are always here with us, whether we were celebrating Independence Day last year or we are celebrating it this year. Year after year, your support is always there. You are always here to welcome all of us. We welcome you here from the bottom of our heart. So a big round of applause for our ever supportive parents. It gives me immense pleasure to just have our guest of honor today. These are our alumni from 2019 batch. So we have Akarsh Dhawan with us. Will you please wave to everybody so that they have clarity? Akarsh Dhawan, who is here. They say that whenever you want to see progress of any country, you need to have proof. तो वो हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की जरूरत नहीं. ठीक बोला मैंने? हाँ, ये है हमारे प्रमाण. They are our चलती फिरती advertisement of the school. And once upon a time, they sat here like you, and they were the ones who were actually participating in the Independence Day. And today, just look at this, they are here as guest of honor. And down the memory lane, I think after some days, some years, you will also be called here. So we welcome you, Akarsh Dhawan. He is doing his MBA in FinTech. Not to forget, he is doing his MBA in FinTech from Chandigarh University. So Vikasit Bharat के साथ है ये, and he plans to have his own startup. So he's flowing with the theme. Then we welcome our other alumni, Prabhuday. Prabhuday is here. He is back from Canada, and he has done his management course in bakery, and he's also planning to start his own startup. So we welcome both of you here. As you know, our visionary Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has given this slogan, Vikasit Bharat. We also know that economic development will happen, and these are the ones, young people, who are the ones who are actually going to take country. you can say like they are the ones who are going to take country forward. We may not be there at that time. So Yuva hai to Vikas hai. We also believe in that, and that is why we have taken theme of our program today, that Vikasit Bharat, Saksham Bharat. Yuva hai to Saksham hai. Yuva hai to Desh hai. With this, we just start the program. So a big round of applause for our students of class 12 and teachers. Thank you, sir.